each other and clap for yourself also. Very nice. Very good. Everybody now sit down. Everyone please sit down. And everyone relax karo thodi der ke liye. Just relax, okay? If you want, you can have water. Otherwise, have water after. Yes, Arnab. Arnab, homework yesterday. Homework. Has everybody settled down now? सबने पानी पी लिया, सब settle down हो गए? Okay. Chalo, now let us start with the studies. First, we'll do a recap of what we had done yesterday. Okay? Yes, Sanskriti. You want to show something to me? Show me, beta. That is yesterday's homework. Very good. Yes, I saw it. Sanskriti uploaded also on the app. I checked it. Very nice. And very creative also you've drawn. The drawing also of the bag. Very nice, Sanskriti. Keep it up, beta. Ma'am. You're welcome. Okay, Soumya. Show me. Very good, Soumya. Very nice. Very good. Okay, and all those who have put it on the who have uploaded the homework online, I've checked their homework. I've given the remarks also. You can go and check. Okay. Now, kids, we'll do a quick recap of what we had done. Harshdeep, please sit in front of the camera. I can't see your face, Harshdeep. आपका face नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे कैमरे में. आप किधर चले गए हो? हर्षदीप, आगे बैठो. ओके. नाउ हम जल्दी से recap करते हैं जो हमने पढ़ा था. What did we do yesterday? We do a quick recap. We did the reading and we did the AG, that is ag. Ag family word. We did only one word. That was bag. Bag. Right? And अभी हमें reading का एक और line practice करना था. Yes? So we will first do the reading and then we'll do the ag family words. So पहले हम reading करते हैं. Okay? Let me take out the page. Everyone, please look at my screen. Okay. Now we were doing this. Yeah. The first sentence was who. I'll just underline it. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Now who is going to read this sentence? Harshdeep, please read it. Can you read it?
Can
yes,
I
Harshdeep?
read, ma'am?
Okay, read it. Sanskriti, is that? Okay, Sanskriti, continue. Yes. Very good. Very good. Has a
L-A-D lad.
Very nice. Excellent, Sanskriti. Very good. ऐसे ही practice करते रहो. आप ऐसे ही practice करोगे, you'll soon start you'll start reading also very soon. Okay. Okay, Sanskriti, put yourself on mute. Let me give a chance to another kid. Who is Soumya? Can you read the second?
किया था नाटक कर देखो ये बंद किया है ऐसे मत करो बार बार नाटक मत करो.
Please put yourself on mute. Whoever is on unmute, please put yourself on. Somebody is on unmute, please mute yourself. Soumya, can you read the second sentence, please? Please read it, beta. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Cap. Very nice. Very good, Soumya. Very good. So both of you are practicing Sanskriti and Soumya, and I'm sure other kids are also practicing. Very good, everyone. Keep it up. Okay, now the third one. Siddesh, can you read the third sentence, please? Yes, Siddesh. We did this yesterday. Sentence kal pe aap- Very good. E is very good. La add lad. Very good, Siddesh. He is a bad lad.
He is a bad lad. Bad lad.
Very good. Very nice, Siddesh. Very good, beta. Very good. So ऐसे ही सब लोग practice करते रहो reading का this small sentences, and then gradually you will learn how to read. Okay, before जैसे आपका senior KG खत्म होगा, you will start reading small sentences, small words rather. Okay, so today we are going to do the third one.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, somebody wants to say something. Okay. Now we move on to the next sentence, which is this. Okay, everybody have a look at it. I will do it on the whiteboard. Okay. So I'm coming to you all again.
Yeah.
Everybody, please put yourself on mute. Everyone, please mute yourself. Okay. So today, what are we going to learn? A new sentence. First, I'll write it down. Then I'll teach you how to read it. Okay. Okay. Now let us learn how to read it. S-O, so. S-O, so. Now read this one. ये तो आप लोगों को पता है क्या होता है? What is this? Arnav, can you tell me what is this? What have I written here? Arnav.
Dad.
Very good. The, dad. S-O, so. So, dad. What is I-S? Siddesh, I-S क्या होता है? Is. Now, Shreyas, you tell me what is it?
Sad.
Yes, it is. Now, Shreyas, आप मुझे बताओ ये क्या लिखा है मैंने? हाँ. So.
Yes.
Very good. It is sad. So, and sad. So everyone say with me. So and sad. Sad.
Yes.
S. What is the sound of S? So and sad. Okay. So what did we learn today? A new word. S-O, so. S-O, so. Okay, Soumya, now you read with me. Please unmute Soumya. After that, Sarvesh will read after Soumya. Okay. So be ready, Sarvesh. S-O, so.
S-O, so.
The Dad.
Dad.
Very good. So, dad. This is. Is. I-S. Is.
E.
ओके आपके पुराने सेंटेंस में भी था ना इज रिमेम्बर सो डैड इज sad वेरी गुड सो अभी बोलो मेरे साथ सो डैड is sad very good Soumya nice very good सर्वेश now म्यूट कर दो सौम्या अब आप म्यूट कर बेटा म्यूट लगा SO so the and dad is 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 Sarvesh saying that or some other kid is saying because I don't see his lips moving Aditi is that you okay Aditi I'll come to you also don't worry okay अभी आप म्यूट कर दो Aditi like Sarvesh say okay yes Sarvesh आप बोलो आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा मुझे Sarvesh okay चलो now say with me S-O
Pratik is not studying.
बोलो Sarvesh S can you hear me everybody is my voice audible
Audible, ma'am.
okay fine now Sarvesh बोलो S-O so the dad
Dad
is I-S
is
Is. Is. Sad. बोलो sad.
very good sad sad
Very good.
बोलो sad.
sad okay now let us read it again so dad is sad okay very good now Aditi now you read okay and everybody else please mute yourself except for Aditi everyone please put yourself on mute okay Aditi now say with me S-O so the and what is it you tell me very good excellent Aditi so dad I-S is what is this read this so and is sad very nice that means you're paying attention very good Aditi say with me so dad is sad very nice okay now Nisa please read Aditi you can mute yourself okay yes Nisa say with me S so the dad very good now I is and then so and sad sad S में से क्या साउंड आता है निशा स का साउंड आता है ना sad okay now let us read it again so dad is sad very good Nisa mute Prateek please tell unmute yourself Say with me. S-O, so.
S-O, so.
The, add,
The, add,
you tell me
dad.
what is. The, add, dad. Very good.
And
So, dad,
and
I-S is.
I is
So, add. Bolo. So, add, sad.
the as the sad.
Very good. So, dad
So dad
is sad.
is sad.
Very good, Pratik. Good. Okay, I think everybody is read. Anybody left? सबने reading किया है ना? Everyone is read? Okay. Now this is the new sentence that we learned. So we have learned 4 sentences total. When we complete all the sentences, I think there is one more left. Then we are going to revise again from the beginning. पहले sentence से लेके last sentence तक हम दोबारा से reading करेंगे. Okay, kids? So now this is the reading part. Now yesterday we did a new word, a new family. You all remember? I hope you all remember that. अभी आप लोग थोड़ी देर का breather ले लो. If you want, take a few seconds, 1 minute breather. Okay? Then उसके बाद हम नया topic start करते हैं. Take a breather. If you want, take a round of the room and come. All of you take a round of the room and come. Body stretch karo. Pratik, please don't share the screen. Stop doing that. Pratik, stop doing that now. Screen share nahi karna hai, please. This is not allowed in the class. Okay? Nobody has to share the screen except for the teacher. Nobody will share the screen, please. Yes, Shivansh, where were you? इतनी अभी मुझे आप दिखाई दे. You were not there in the prayers. Okay, अभी join किया है? Yes, Shivansh, you joined just now.
मेरी दीदी का बर्थडे था तो इसलिए टाइम हो गया.
Okay, wish happy birthday to your दीदी. Okay? उनको happy birthday wish कर दो मेरी तरफ से. Okay? और अभी कल कोशिश करना टाइम से लॉगिन करना. Okay? Fine? ठीक है? Okay, good boy. हमारी टाइम क्या है क्लास का? 1:50. The time of our class is 2 o'clock. Okay?
Okay.
Good boy.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Chalo, now let us start.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell me who is it. First, you have to tell me your name. I come to know. Yes, Aditi. Tell me, beta.
Why little ducks is not there?
Yes, baby.
Why little ducks is not there?
5 little ducks. We are going to revise now again in the end. When I'm going to tell you other rhymes also. We'll do other rhymes also. Okay? फिर हम उसको बाद में सबको साथ में रिवाइज करेंगे. ठीक है ना? Okay? Aditi? अभी आपका from next week. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You like that rhyme? Even I like it. Yes, Aditi? आपको अच्छी लगती है वो rhyme? Even I like that rhyme. Okay, now kids, breaks over and let us start right again. Okay, now what we did yesterday, let me do a recap of that. We learned the
bat.
very good. We had started off with the AG, that is ag family. Ag family. Okay, we did the ag family and we did the first word of ag family, which was plus ag bag. Yes, we did the first word, which was bag. Okay, now we'll do the next word. Let me show you my screen. Everybody, please look at my screen. I'm sharing it, okay? Okay, can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, beta, very nice. Now this was the family. We did the first word which is a bag. आपका जब ये पूरा complete हो there 4 words. When we complete all the 4 words, आप अपनी book में ही exercise कर सकते हो. No need to do. Sorry, book नहीं है, वो खाली notebook में practice करेंगे. जिनके पास books हैं, वो अपनी book में exercises को finish करो. ठीक है? Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Now see, today we are going to learn a new word which is called rag. Rag. What is a rag? It is a small piece of cloth which is a torn. It can be a torn piece of cloth. ऐसा एक छोटा सा cloth का टुकड़ा होता है rag. Okay? देखो, बोरी का टुकड़ा हो सकता है. See? Can you see the picture? This is a rag. Okay? ये देखो, this is a rag, a torn piece. ये देखो, बोरी जैसा कपड़ा होता है ना, वो rag. Okay, so how do you read it? R, say with me, R, rag. Okay, I'm coming to you. We'll practice on the whiteboard now. Okay, I just wanted to show you the picture. Okay, kids. So, आपने देखा rag क्या होता है? Seen the picture. Now we are going to learn how do we combine the letters. See how do we do it. First, R, R, small r. What is the sound of R? R. Sound of R, everyone? R. You all know it, yes, right? Yes, Siddesh, do you know it? What is the sound of R, Siddesh? R. Very good. What is the sound of R, Sanskriti? R. R. Very good, Sanskriti. What is the sound of R, Aditi?
R.
R. Very good. So R and R में हम क्या add करेंगे? AG. Why? Because this is AG family, ag family. Okay. R, ag will become what? Rag. Rag. R, ag, rag. Everyone say with me. Let me write it properly first. R, ag. This is the ag family. Okay. R, ag, rag. R-A-G, rag. Rag. Now what is a rag? ऐसे एक छोटा सा
जिला बोलती है हमेशा हर बात में.
ये देखो, मैं इधर ड्रॉ करती हूँ. ये लो, this is a rag. Okay. I've shown you the picture. मैंने आपको पिक्चर दिखाया ना, एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा, बोरी जैसा टुकड़ा. That is a rag. Okay. क्लॉथ का एक छोटा सा पीस. That is called a rag. Okay. Rag, rag. Rag. Very good. Now we are going to write it in our notebooks. Okay, everybody please take out your notebooks. Keep your notebooks ready.
Teacher!
Yes, Soumya? Today is 15:15. No, it's today is 25:25. Okay, Soumya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, kids, you can continue from the second we left yesterday. कल हमने यहाँ पे लाइन खींच के छोड़ दिया था ना उसको. Remember? Do you all remember that? So we can continue from the same page. Okay. बाकी के 2 इधर pages है. So we are going to learn 2 words and we are going to write it here. Continue it. No need to write again today. Take out the same page where we did yesterday. कल क्या था वही पेज ओपन करो आज. अगर आपको याद होगा हमने पेज को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया था, की कॉलम में लिखा था, है ना? So कंटिन्यू करो. No need to waste your page. Yes, Aditi.
Yesterday I was not there.
Okay, Aditi, then do this. Write the date on the top and write class. Just write class. आपका लैपटॉप है अदिति? You were there yesterday?
I was not.
Okay. I put it on the screen, Aditi. You can copy, okay?
Yes.
And then you can divide the part 3 parts, okay? ये वाला आप बाद में अपने आप कर लेना होमवर्क में. आज जो वो करो.
Right here. Right.
Okay, so we have kids. Please, थोड़ी देर wait करो. Aditi है because कल absent थी. So let her write. Take a few minutes, seconds. Okay. Please have some patience. This you can do later on, Aditi, या बाद में कर लेना, which you've not missed out yesterday. I'll tell you in the end. मैं आपको end में बता दूंगी. आज हम ये 2 columns करेंगे. Okay, we'll do these 2 columns today.
Okay, ma'am.
Just draw the lines and write down classwork on top.
I already draw that all.
Okay, very good, Aditi. So, can I continue then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what did we learn today, kid? We learned rag. What did we learn? Very good, Sanskrit. Yes, sir. We learned rag. So, आज आपको continue करना है from here. दोस्तों, center portion, the second line, second column. Okay? इधर लिखो र. Write down r. Small r. Everyone knows how to make small r, right? Please make small r. Always remember that small r will be inside the blue line. उसको red line पे नहीं बनाना है, खाली blue line में आएगा. Okay, remember that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, बेटा. Okay, everybody write down small r. And then after, very good. उसके बाद a हम कौन सी family कर रहे हैं? Ag family, ag family. So write down a. Now I'm not going to say the word. I'm going to say the sounds. Write down a. You have to find out what is the correct letter which should be there. Then I will just tell you the sounds. A. A किस में से sound आता है? A में से. So a लिखो. R a.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very good. R a. And then what will you write? क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पे सिद्धेश? Oh, very good, Siddesh. G or G. Rag. Everyone write down and say it also. I want all of you's mouth, lips moving. कोई भी बोले बिना नहीं लिखेगा. You have to say it and write it. Rag. Very good, Soumya. And keep on writing also. Okay, rag. Very good. Rag.
Done, ma'am.
Good, beta. We'll wait for others to finish.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Sarvesh, have you done? I can't see your face, Sarvesh. Where are you? You are not there in front of the camera, beta. Please come in front of the camera, Sarvesh. Okay, Harshdeep, आपने किया? Harshdeep, Nisa, and Shreyas. Very good, Harshdeep. कर लिया? And Nisa, you also tell me, have you done? Oh, आपने इतने सारे लिख दिए हैं. Very good, Shreyas. Okay, Nisa, आपने किया? Okay, good. Now what are we going to do? We are going to write it one more time. Okay, so सब लोग इसके नीचे वाली लाइन में लिखो फिर से. रैग. रैग.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Okay, very nice.
आज कल तो पेंसिल खुश लो चला रही है.
चलो यहाँ तक आपका यहाँ तक हो जाएगा complete. Then just show me a thumbs up. Okay, I will know that you all have done. Soumya, you've done clear. I will check in the end. Just show me a thumbs up. Very good, Soumya. Okay, now you have to be careful of one more thing. When you write G, तो ये देखो ये जो line है यहाँ touch होगी red line पे, but it should not go below the red line. And this round curve should be inside the blue line. Blue line के अंदर होना चाहिए curve और red line पे ये line होना चाहिए standing line and the curve. तो आपको खाली अभी क्या याद रखना है कि आपको जो भी लिखना है लाइंस के अंदर लिखना है. ये जितना भी लाइंस में आना चाहिए उतना ही, बाहर नहीं निकालना है लाइन से. ओके, बिकॉज अब आप सीनियर केजी में आ गए हो. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि जब भी आप अल्फाबेट्स लिखते हो तो आपको इसीलिए 4 लाइंस बना के दिए हैं. आप इन 4 लाइंस बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए लाइन से. ओके किड्स, तो लाइट वेरी केयरफुली, धीरे धीरे लिखो, कोई बात नहीं. अगर आप अभी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपकी हैंड राइटिंग अच्छी हो जाएगी फिर बहुत. तो इसलिए थोड़ा स्लो लिखो लेकिन नीटली लिखो. राइट वेरी नीटली, as neat as you can. This is your base. Okay, अगर आप अभी अच्छे से अल्फाबेट्स फॉर्मेशन ठीक से बनाओगे तो आपका हैंड राइटिंग आगे जाके अच्छा बनेगा फिर. So 2 times लिखने के बाद we'll write one more time. Okay kids? So 3 times लिखना हमें. How many times? 3 times. Rag. Okay? Yes.
कितना हम बताइए कितना बच्चे के पास तो पहले
Write like this. Rag. 3 times. Okay?
Done, ma'am.
तो अभी सबने अगर 3 times लिख लिया है तो मुझे स्क्रीन पे दिखा दो. If you all have written at least 3 times, then please put it, show it on the screen. Very good, Soumya. Very good, बेटा. आप सौम्या खाली अपने लेटर्स को ना थोड़ा पास पास लिखो. जैसे आपकी ए और जी में काफी गैप है ना, तो ये एक ही वर्ड है, इसलिए कोशिश करो कि हम वर्ड्स को थोड़ा पास पास लिखें. ओके, बाद में जाके आप उनको ज्वाइन कर. ओके सौम्या, बाकी आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. अदिति थोड़ा क्लोज लाके दिखाओ स्क्रीन पर. प्लीज ब्रिंग इट क्लोजर टू स्क्रीन. वेरी गुड अदिति. Yes, very good. Yes, beta. Yes, good, Siddesh. Who's calling me?
Sanskriti.
Yes, beta, I checked your work. Very nice, Sanskriti. I checked it.
Thank you.
Good job. Okay, now Sarvesh, you also show me, please. Sarvesh, please show me your work. Yes, Harshdeep. Very nice, Harshdeep. Very good. And very good. Yes, Pratik, show me. थोड़ा ऊपर करो. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. And Nisa, very good, Nisa. Very good. Yes, Shreyas. No, Shivansh. Yes, Shivansh. Please show me. शिवांश दिखाओ, आपने क्या लिखा है मुझे दिखाओ.
ये भी वेग लंबा लंबा लिखी है.
ओके, वेरी गुड शिवांश, वेरी नाइस. आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया है, वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ किड्स वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न वन मोर वर्ड नाउ. ठीक है, आज हम 2 वर्ड सीखेंगे. सो हमने कौन सा वर्ड सीखा था सबसे पहले? बैग. बैग. सेकेंड वर्ड क्या सीखा था? रैग. Okay, now everyone look at my screen. Let us see what is the third word. Okay, now
लिखेगी. ठीक है, दूर दूर में लिखा था. सुनिए.
So the third word is this. T. What is the sound of T? Nisa, what is the sound of T? T. Very good. It is T. So T and A. You know the sound of A, and the sound of G is G. T, A, G, tag. Very good. Everyone say this, but mute पे बोलना है सबको, unmute पे नहीं. Okay, please mute करके सब लोग बोलो. Everyone say with me. Tag. 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 Now what is a tag? Tag का मतलब क्या होता है? कोई भी आप चीज लेकर आते हो मार्केट से, उसपे कई बार टैग्स लगे होते हैं जिसमें प्राइस लिखा होता है एंड प्रोडक्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लिखी होती है, उसको टैग बोलते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ टैग. है ना, मामा उसको सीजर से काट के फेंक देती है बिकॉज इट कैन हर्ट योर स्किन, बट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑल द वाइटल इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक द प्राइस, वेट एक्सेट्रा इज रिटन ऑन इट. उसके ऊपर बहुत सारी चीजें लिखी होती है, ब्रांड का नेम लिखा होता है, प्राइस लिखा होता है ना. टी शर्ट के ऊपर होता है, आपके टॉयज के ऊपर भी होता है कभी कभी टैग लगा हुआ. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ टैग. ओके, देखो पिक्चर देखो, ये टैग का फोटो है. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इट ऑन द व्हाइट बोर्ड. ओके, okay, everybody look at the whiteboard. Now I'm going to write it and show it to you. How do you form the word tag? See everybody carefully. Now listen, ये सारे words होंगे small letters में लिखने हैं. Why? Because किसी का name होता है तभी हम capital लिखते हैं. Okay, so we will write only in small letters. T, ta. What is the sound of T? Ta. Sound of T is ta. Say everyone, ta. And then इसमें हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? क्या ऐड करेंगे? कौन सी? Egg family. तो egg क्या बन जाएगा? तो egg tag. अभी म्यूट करो. वेरी गुड सौम्या. सौम्या म्यूट कर दो अभी बेटा. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ अ टैग वुड लुक लाइक. अ बिट थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा लगेगा टैग देखने में. ओके और ये आपकी टी शर्ट पे लगा रहता है, यहाँ पे नाम लिखा रहता है, प्राइस लिखा रहता है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा होता है देखने में टैग, अ लिटिल बिट लाइक दिस। ओके आपकी टी शर्ट के ऊपर लगा रहता है कभी कभी, जब मामा अभी नई टी शर्ट लेके आएंगे ना आपके लिए या नए टॉयज, तब आप तब चेक करना उसके ऊपर टैग लगा होगा ऐसा। ओके टैग, say it 5 times with me, उसके बाद हम राइटिंग करेंगे। टैग, TAG टैग, 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 TAG टैग, टैग, टैग। Very good. Now let us write it down. Everybody please take your notebooks. अपने notebooks ले लो. Everyone please take your notebooks. And ये जो third column है जो हमने बनाया था कल, this the third column. We are going to write in this third column now. Okay everyone? So all are ready? First line. Write down small t. Like this. Small t. So remember, start from the red line और end किधर करना है? Blue line पे, okay? Okay, very good. अगर आपने किया है तो very nice. Just wait for the other kids to finish, okay? Aditi, don't do that. You will get hurt, बेटा. Pencil mouth में मत डालो, चोट लग जाएगी आपको, okay? So now we'll write down A. A means which letter? Yes, Aditi. A मतलब कौन सा letter? A sound किस में से आता है दीदी? हाँ वेरी गुड। A साउंड किस वर्ड लेटर में से आता है? A कौन सा लेटर बोलता है, कौन सा अल्फाबेट बोलता है? A। यस वेरी गुड, A। ओके ट A एंड ग। सौम्या ग साउंड किस में से आता है? T। वेरी गुड। So T A and then G tag। अभी आप सबने नोटिस किया है जितने भी वर्ड्स हमने लिखे हैं उनके एंड में क्या आता है? AG एग, AG एग, AG एग। सबके एंड में AG आता है ना, because they are all in the same family, okay? Tag, tag। Very good. Everybody please write it. Tag, tag। Yes. Very good, Soumya. Harshdeep, आप लिख रहे हो? Are you writing, Harshdeep? Okay, very good. निशा, आपका हो गया निशा? Okay, very good. Shreyas, what about you? आपका हो गया श्रेयस? Yes, Shreyas, can you hear me? आपका हो गया बेटा? Okay, and सर्वेश? सर्वेश आपका होगा बेटा? आपने मुझे नहीं दिखाया है, प्लीज अपना पेज दिखाओ। एंड आप अपना फेस भी दिखाओ, आपका फेस भी नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे। ओके वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस सर्वेश, वेरी गुड सौम्या, वेरी गुड संस्कृति, वेरी गुड। Okay, now we write it one more time. So again we write the same way, T, the, then A, G, tag, T, A, G, tag। Tag.
अक्की लंबा लिखिए देख, बीच बीच में जगह है.
Okay, सबने लिखा 2 times? Has everyone written 2 times? Okay, अगर आपने 2 times लिखा है, then write 1 more time because we have to write 3 times. Remember 3 times. Just count and write. 1, 2, 3.
यहाँ लिखो.
Don't write more than
मध्य लिखो, सटा सटा के.
rest is going to be a homework.
मेरा रॉन्ग चला जाएगा सब.
Tag. Keep on saying while you're writing. Very good, Aditi. Tag. 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 बोलते रहो, लिखते रहो और बोलते रहो. Tag. Very good. Now, what are the 3 words that we've learned so far in ag family? Bag, tag. Bag. Which family is this? AG, ag family. Okay. Bag, rag, tag. Bag, rag, tag. Very good. So revise these 3 words at home. Now let me tell you what is your homework. Those kids who do not have a book with them, please complete it in the notebook. This portion which is left out to complete the whole page. Those who have books with them, please do these 3 words in the book. Where? In the book. Only 3 words. Don't do more than 3. Whatever we have done in the class, do only that much. If it is not covered in the class, please don't do it. Okay, we do it only when I have taught you. Okay, so these 3 words, please practice them in your book. Okay, and those who do not have a book, please practice it over here in the notebook. Okay, kids? चलो आज का homework यही होगा. This will be your homework for today. And I will assign, if any exercise is there, I will assign it on the app. Check it, okay? Yes, Aditi. Rhyme beta, we'll do it next week now. Okay? Not today. आज नहीं करेंगे. Okay, अब हम नई rhyme सीखेंगे. Okay, Aditi? ठीक है? और हम Monday को करेंगे. आपको 5 little ducks करना है ना? We'll do it on Monday. Okay, fine? Good girl. Very good, Arshdeep. Very nice.
Ma'am, can I show my study?
Yeah, you can show what. Yes, beta. Very good. Very nice, Aditi. Very nice. Good. Good, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, let's do prayers.
Yeah, we'll do the prayers now. Okay, please stand up for the prayers. We'll end our day now, okay? Revise the ag family words, whatever we have done till now. Please stand up, everybody, and fold your hands for the prayers. And everyone, please put yourself on mute also. And say with me. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now, God bless my mummy. Close your eyes and say, God bless my mummy, my daddy, and my teachers. Help me always to keep them happy. Okay, let's do the national anthem. Hands by your side, all of you. 1, 2, 3, start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद। Okay kids, bye bye, enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.
Bye.
Take care of yourself. Bye beta, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye all of you. Okay, disconnect, okay? Just press the leave button. Press the leave button. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta, bye.